another motherfucking video. As you can tell by the title, I'm working on that speed. As you can tell by the title, you can know what I'm doing. I'm gonna straighten my hair. I don't know what I'm doing. I looked at other YouTube videos and they're like very contradicting, so I'm gonna just do what I do and go off the knowledge, the little knowledge that I have. So before we get into the video, let me just say, no, I did not cut my hair. My hair is still, I'm gonna show a picture or video of my hair before I got in the shower and washed it. That's it right there. I don't know what I'm doing. Did I say that already? Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing yet again. I did not go to the store and buy heat protectant because there were videos saying that it's good to use it, but then like some salons said that it's bad because as soon as the heat touches the heat protectant, it's gonna burn the product off, so there's no point in putting it. But I'm gonna be using this oil that I used in a previous video. It will be up here somewhere. It will be right there. And I'm gonna have, I don't know, is this fine? I don't know. Like me. Fine and a wide tooth comb. I'm gonna be using this 3-in-1 Conair blow dryer. I have a white girl brush for when I as I go when I blow dry. So we can get straight into the video. I don't even know which one to use. This is gonna be a long process. It is 8:07. Got my clips. Now I'm gonna section off my hair. I don't know if I should start from the back or start from the front. That's it. Be quiet. Okay. Okay. You know what? I don't know about it. Okay. So the plan that I originally was doing was taking too long, so I ended up parting my hair into 4 sections, 4 big sections. Then I divided those up and then divided it again. And I just went like that, just in case you're confused. Okay, now let's get back to the video. Okay, boy. I'm gonna come back when it's like fully blow dry, cause I'm over it. Okay, fine. I'm back and this is what we have so far. Like, I'm okay. I'm halfway done. Y'all see that? Y'all remember my link before? That's why I always throw that ponytail on. It's pretty good, but my ends are horrible. And me adding this oil, I think it's like kinda helping. I'm not really sure. I don't really know what I'm doing. Like I said 20,000 times before. But so far, so good. Hey, Mom. I don't know what I was saying before, but I'm gonna just start on the other side. It hurt. Jesus. 8:38. I feel like I'm doing pretty good. I'm on schedule. That's that. Let's just go on to the video. Let's put some oil on. 2 sprays, nothing major, some slight, simple, you know. I'm going with the white girl brush. Okay. Tangle that bad boy. Then we're gonna put it. You know how I've been putting it on low? Don't do that. That's what we need. I like to just go see about putting it and holding it like that. Ooh, okay. And just like that. All right. Last little whole section. I'm finna break this into two. Oil, 2 squirts. Then white girl brush. Then stretch it as much as I can. Then okay. Look at that. Okay. Alright. Now it's officially the last section. Smoking dope because I need it. Who is getting a little hot? So this is the finished product of me blow drying my hair. That's the front view. This is the side view. This is the back view. Other side. This side. It's 9:02. I finished around like 8:55 probably. I just been sitting here dancing. Cause you don't want none. You don't want none. I like that I did this light brown. It looks cute. I look like Simba. Okay, I'm gonna take some pictures and post it on Instagram. If you don't follow my Instagram, right there. Okay, follow that. I'm gonna be right back. Give me a second. The end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're new, subscribe to me, boo, because it's a lot more coming. Weekly videos, keep up with that. Turn on post notifications. If you're new and you don't have post notifications on, what are you doing? Do that right now. We gonna wait. Yeah, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Follow my social medias. Comment anything that's positive, because you know, positive vibes, positive. Stay positive. Peace.